If you've ever wanted GIMP to feel a lot more like Photoshop, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to use GIMP like Photoshop by installing a free customization pack called PhotoGIMP. This is a super popular method because it changes the layout, moves tools into more familiar places, adds Photoshop-style shortcuts, and gives GIMP a cleaner, dark interface that feels much easier to jump into if you're switching from Adobe. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is completely close GIMP if it's already open. This is important because the patch needs to overwrite your existing settings, and it won't work properly if the app is still running in the background. Once GIMP is fully closed, open your browser and go to the official PhotoGIMP GitHub repository. You want the official download so you know you're getting the correct and safest version of the patch. On the GitHub page, download the zip file for PhotoGIMP. After the file finishes downloading, extract the zip archive on your computer. Inside the extracted files, look for a folder named 3.0 if you're using GIMP 3 or 2.10 if you're using GIMP 2.10. That folder contains the configuration files that will reshape GIMP to look and behave more like Photoshop. Now comes the part where we need to place those files into GIMP's hidden app data folder. On Windows, press Windows plus R, type %appdata%\GIMP and press Enter. This takes you directly to GIMP's configuration directory. On macOS, open Finder, go to your library folder, then open Application Support and find the GIMP folder there. If you're using Linux with Flatpak, go to the path tilde/var/app/org.gimp.gimp/config/GIMP. Once you're in the correct GIMP folder, paste the extracted PhotoGIMP folder into that location. If your system asks whether you want to replace or overwrite existing files, choose Replace or Overwrite. That step is what applies the new layout, shortcuts, and interface settings. After the files are copied over, go ahead and relaunch GIMP. When it opens back up, you should notice the new Photoshop style setup right away. The panels will look more familiar, the tools will be arranged differently, and some shortcuts should now behave much more like Photoshop, which makes the transition a lot smoother. This is one of the easiest ways to make GIMP feel less intimidating if you're used to Adobe workflows. And the best part is, it's completely free. So if you've been struggling to adapt to GIMP, this PhotoGIMP method can save you a lot of time and frustration. If you want more tutorials that simplify software and make editing easier, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.